I'm of the opinion that the stock market is going through a transition, a repricing, if you will, of the AI movement, the AI revolution. And that is to say, as we move from the training of AI and the building of the data centers and the infrastructure that is going to eventually provide us with AI in whatever form it takes, we are repricing. And there's even some skepticism out there that says that these data centers have gotten over their skis. They're getting resistance from the communities they're in, and they may not be able to achieve the numbers that they are indicating. We've heard some rumblings that some of the hyperscalers are even saying, well, we may be renting some of our data center space out. And there's just a lot of question right now is as we make this transition from build out to delivery, how should we manage our portfolio? Is it time to pull back? Is this the bubble of the comparable internet? Is this a time where we're wondering how are we going to monetize this? And are we going to have enough electricity? And are we going to have enough water? And is it going to happen like the hyperscalers thought it was, or did they get it wrong? So with that in mind, and I should reflect that we've had a wonderful run. When I say we, I mean best of us investors. We're up over 200% since we totally adopted Samantha as our AI agent and said, we want access to all the data in the world on every given stock. We want to accumulate that data and then make better investment decisions, know what we own, know their financials, know everything about them as we go on. So this weekend, I said, it's time for me to give her a full picture of my portfolio, what I own, how many shares, what my cost basis is, and then say, okay, based on all you've done over the last 14 months, all the information that we have provided you into what we call Samantha's brain in the form of research, and tell us, here's the portfolio, what should we do? And so that's what I did. And she gave me, a 12-page document that basically explains her interpretation based on my interpretation, based on Mark's interpretation, based on Wall Street's interpretation of what's going on right now and what this repricing looks like. She then goes in and says, okay, this is our thesis. We're basically looking for only stocks that from today's price to the January of 3 years in the future that are going to give us a 100% return. And then I ask her to break it down into the categories that we have stock in, such as AI delivery, neocloud AI capacity, AI build-out technology suppliers, AI power and energy and cash, and then giving me those percentages. How do they break out even further into the delivery, the neocloud, the build-out, the suppliers, the energy industrial, and tell me what's our current value and what should that be moving forward. Now, what I've asked her to do is say, this is something I'm going to come to you at least once a quarter. And I want you to analyze this because I want to share it with my tribe members. In fact, I want to share it with all my viewers because I think this is so important. And let me regress here. Why would I give you this when I charge my tribe members for it? Because I think it's so important. I believe, and I've been in the stock market a long, long time, I believe I have a better opportunity to make big money in the stock market today than I ever have in my past. And that, again, is with the thought that you made 200% over the last 14 months. Yes, I believe I can do better than that because the transition is so big, because the opportunity that is being presented to small businesses, and I count Best of Us investors in that. And as I said, AI gave me 200% return. I believe that small businesses are going to just emerge. And I have already found what I think are some of them that are going to change the world we live in. And I'll just give you some of the tickers and the reason. Zeta, the best agentic AI consumer advertising company in the world. And I'm including Google in that. I'm including Microsoft in that. But they're not the size and they have the growth potential. RBRK, the only cybersecurity company out there that has the ability to integrate AI into their cybersecurity and protect it. The others aren't there. Mountain, a TV advertising company that's going to change advertising as a result of AI to where you will see on TV individual ads that are directed to you. XZO, property and casualty insurance. Think of all the papers and the numbers and the data and the projections, all of everything that goes into that. As big, if not bigger, than the stock market. And XZO is going to do for the property and casualty insurance what I've done for the stock market. I mean, what was it? The S&P did 15% and I did 200? That's a huge difference. That same kind of dynamics going to happen in property and casualty insurance. It's going to happen in the real estate market, REAX. And these are companies that I want you to have knowledge of. And in this report, Samantha will go through them and explain to you why they are what they are and why they are going to be what they're going to turn into. And I want you to have that. Now, how am I going to deliver this to you? I need you to give me your email address. And when you give me your email address, you are going to basically state that what I'm sending you is not financial advice. This is financial education. That you hold me nowhere responsible for the gains or losses that you achieve as a result of this report. I'm taking my ass off the firing line because what I'm giving you, I think, is comparable to what your financial advisor should be giving you, and is not. Unless, of course, you maybe work with Goldman Sachs or someone of that nature, or maybe with Citadel. Although I think they just manage the money for you, they don't tell you what they're doing and why. No, this is beyond the scope of what I thought was possible 14 months ago. This is a blueprint for moving forward the next 60 days, the next 90 days. And then it is the format from which to move forward every 90 days. To review your portfolio based on information of today so that you you can achieve the financial freedom that every American, everybody in the world, because we have members of the bus portfolio from all over the world. We all deserve this. This should not be the domain of Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, and the other billionaires. It should not be. These are companies who profit off of us. And if they are profiting off of us, then we should at least have an opportunity to share in those profits. So, in the description, you will see a link. From that link, you will give me your email address, and I'll send you this 12-page document. And then I'll show you where you can go at Best of Us Investors to have access to this in the future. I'm only going to give this away once. And again, it's because I want you to have a better life. I want you to have an opportunity for a better life. And if you had been I would ask you, how much did you have in your investment account on May the 1st of 2025? Now, multiply that times 200%. And that's what you'd have today if you had been following what Samantha and I are telling you to do then. If that isn't enough reason for you to get this report and then consider becoming a member of the tribe, I don't know what else I can do for you. And I'm going to have to give up on you and just work for those and with those who want to be a part of this, who want to change their lives and have financial independence. Because truly, that's what I've achieved. That's what many of my tribe members have achieved. And we think we can support some more. There is a limit. There's a point at which not everybody can have this information. Because if everybody has it, everybody will be in the same stocks and there'll be no advantage. But right now, this is your invitation to take the next step into your future. What you do is now up to you.